Hi friends!
Newcastle is a charming neighborhood in the city of Miramichi, New Brunswick. It is situated on the north bank of the Miramichi River and is sometimes called Miramichi West. It was once a shire town and remains home to several government offices and the county courthouse. Newcastle was first settled by Scottish settlers led by lumberman William Davidson in the late 18th century. It was originally called Miramichi, but the name was changed due to pronunciation and spelling difficulties. The town's economy was mainly based on the forest industry. In the late 18th century, a shipbuilding industry developed to support overseas lumber exports, including masts for the British Navy. The 1825 Miramichi fire and the advent of steel-hulled ships led to a decline in the forest industry. However, pulp and paper production eventually became the town's main economic driver, with a large pulp and paper mill employing hundreds. Newcastle also had a strong salmon fishery, which evolved into a valuable sports fishery, attracting anglers from around the world. Newcastle was an important transportation center, located at the head of navigation on the Miramichi River. It had wharves for exporting lumber and other forest products. Today, Newcastle remains an important part of the Miramichi Valley, known for its rich history and beautiful river views.
you.